Alright, in this video we're going to still talk about standard form to vertex form, but these problems will be harder. There will be a number in front of x squared. Unlike before, it was just a number 1, but now it's going to be something different. Alright, so we start with a problem like this. So remember, if you need to rewind, go ahead. So 2x squared minus 8x plus 11. So first thing I'm going to do, just like I did before, make room and move the 11. So what I'm going to do now is put my parentheses. I need to take out a number, not a variable, just the number. I need to take that 2 out. When I take a 2 out, x squared remains, and then minus 4x, and then the 11 didn't get touched. So we took out the 11, or took out the 2, and what's inside is left over. Now we complete the square like before. Remember, b over 2 squared. So in this case, b is a negative 4. So negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is a positive 4. Now remember, on problems before, I would add 4 and then subtract 4. But since I took the 2 out, I not only I insert a 4 here, but I also subtract 8. And remember, we get 8 because I took 4 times this 2 here to get the minus 8. So remember that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 2 here, and then 11 minus 8 is plus 3. And this is squared. So we look here. Factors of 4. That to give me negative 4. Well, that's x minus 2. And there you go. There's your answer in vertex form. Remember, split it up, take out the 2, complete the square with the 4, and then remember we subtract 8 because we took 4 times 2, and then we factored it down. Alright, so we got another example for this. 3x squared plus 24x plus 14. So remember, we do the same thing we did before, split it up. So, you look in the first one, I want to take out that 3. So an x squared remains, and then 24 divided by 3 is 8x. So I look here, now my b value is 8. So then I take 8 divided by 2 and get 4. And 4 squared is 16. But I do not take minus 16 out here. I take 16 times 3 and get 16. Let me subtract 48 out here because that's 16 times 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 3 here. We have to factor. Let me look here. We have a positive 14 subtracted by 48. So we're going to have negative 34 on the outside. Now we look inside the parentheses here. Factors of a positive 16 that add up to positive 8. And they have to be the same number. So x plus 4 goes on the inside. So that would be my answer when I convert it to vertex form.